Want cheap car insurance quotes in 2025? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find the best deals fast, legit, and without sacrificing coverage. Section 1. Use smart comparison tools. Start by using the right comparison tools. Sites like the Zebra, Gabi, and Compare.com are designed to find the cheapest quotes in real time. But here's the trick: don't rely on just one. Tip: search in incognito mode to avoid price manipulation based on your browsing history. Section 2. Choose the right coverage. If you want cheaper quotes, don't overpay for coverage you don't need. For older cars, you may not need full coverage. Just liability might be enough, and it's way cheaper. Also, adjust your deductible. A higher deductible means a lower monthly premium, but only do this if you can afford to pay it in an emergency. Section 3. Max out discounts. Every insurer has hidden discounts, you just have to ask. Look for good driver discount, student discount, low mileage, bundling auto plus renter's home insurance, military or occupation-based discounts. Even signing up online or going paperless can knock a few bucks off. Section 4. Telematics equals big savings. Want to prove you're a safe driver? Many insurers now offer telematics programs, apps that track your driving. Drive safe and you can earn up to 30% off your quote. Check out Progressive Snapshot or State Farm's Drive Safe and Save. Section 5. Know your risk profile. Your driving history, credit score, location, and even your job title can impact your rates. Improve what you can, especially your credit, and you'll get better quotes over time. Section 6. Bonus. Use a local agent. Sometimes local agents can find you deals that websites won't show. Especially for high-risk drivers or unique situations, don't skip the personal touch. Found this helpful? Hit like so more people can save money, and tap subscribe for more money-saving tips. And hey, drop a comment if you found a killer quote recently.